Kitchen cleaning tips after 500 years of living. After using pots and pans for a long time, the bottom of the pot is covered with grease. It's hard to clean. Put salt on the bottom of the pot, add baking soda and dishwasher detergent, cover with paper, finally, add white vinegar. Let it sit for half an hour, wash it off gently, the bottom is now as clean as new. If you use hot water for a long time, there will be a thick layer of scale. Add the egg to the water, put in orange peel, put in a good amount of white wine and water. And shake it after it is boiling. The scale will fall off. Third, if the food is burnt and hard to clean, take toothpaste to it. Toothpaste application, a cleaning cloth, let it sit for 5 minutes. Wash with a cleaning cloth, quickly clean, looking new and fresh. 4. Gas stoves have been used for a long time. They are hard to clean when oil stains. Dish soap, then, add a layer of baking soda, finally, add white vinegar. Fully dissolve it, let it sit for 10 minutes, gently wipe it with a cloth, immediately clean and dry. 5th, add the egg yolk, put salt and baking soda in a bowl. Add water and mix well. Take the solution and clean the hood, to remove oil stains. 6th, the oil and grease in the hood are hard to clean, add the flour and salt. Dishwashing liquid, white vinegar, soak in water for 5 minutes. A few times to clean it, put new paint into the